Right, Mitsubishi Galant 2 litre, and what am I looking for? I discovered the other day the reversal lights weren't working, so I'm trying to find a problem. Right, unfortunately I don't have the manual, so you've got this fuse box which it's got so many of the fuses, but unfortunately I don't think the reversal light fuse is in here, so I don't know. Another fuse box in the Galant, and it's inside, and it's here. It's in this wee panel, and you pull that out and try to snap it, and then in there you see the other fuse box. I believe the reversing light fuse is in there, which I would imagine be a 10 amp or a 15 amp. But again, I don't have the manual. But I pulled all the fuses in both boxes and I can't find any blowing, so check the bulbs. Yeah, so as I say, I wanted to check the bulbs, so to do that, if you move these plastic things, you only need to pull one away, and then 10mm socket, two bolts, or two nuts rather, and oops, it pops your tail light unit. Reversing light bulb is 5 hands. This one of these fancy bulbs with no metal base. Anyway, it doesn't appear to be blowing, so I'm figuring on that it's probably the switch on the gearbox. Next problem is, when you don't have the manual, where is the switch? I'll put this back together first. Terrible thing, old age, must be getting blind. I think it looks like it there. The reversing light switch. Hopefully, I'm just taking it to bits. Might ease the burden, but I think I'll remove the box. It's going to be held on by two 10mm bolts, I believe. Yeah, it's held on by two 10mm bolts, one there. I suspect that's all that keeps it in place. Take that off and have a look. And there was a nut there, which I never noticed. Another 10mm, so take that one off, and then this should come off. Right, so there we go. That's I presume that's the switch for the looks of it. Squeeze that together, pull it off, and yeah, looks a bit grubby, to say the least. Wonder, can it be cleaned? Right, so it's going to require a 24mm deep socket, which I don't possess, but I shall invest in one, and I think by the look of the plug, or the switch rather, replace it and eliminate it. It's £20 on Fleabay, which is not extortionate. It's been sitting there since 100,000. All the salt crap was built around it. I'm not surprised to give up working, if that's the problem, which I hope it is. So I guess I'm going to end this video here, since I can't get that out. Give it a spray, who knows, might get lucky. But anybody looking for it, that's what it is, below the airbox. Which, if I'd had a good look before I took the airbox off, I'd have seen it properly anyway, but I'd still better take the airbox off to gain proper access. So, hopefully somebody might benefit from knowing, save a bit of time hunting around. Why do I work out here? peace and quiet. I work in the street. Every time I take a spanner out, somebody stops to say hello. Come up here, if it's a nice day, which it is, considering it's the 2nd of March. You get peace and a view.